What is the purpose of life? A question that has puzzled humanity since the dawn of consciousness. It's something we all ponder upon at different stages of our lives. The answer, however, varies from person to person, culture to culture, and belief to belief. Today we delve into the teachings of Islam to explore its perspective on life and its purpose. Islam, a religion followed by over 1 billion people worldwide, offers profound insights into this age-old question. It suggests that life is not a mere accident or a chain of random events, but a purposeful journey designed by the Creator. According to Islamic belief, human life is a sacred trust from God. It teaches that every individual is born with a unique purpose and potential. It encourages its followers to discover, develop, and utilize this potential to benefit not just themselves, but also the wider world. In Islam, the pursuit of knowledge is highly emphasized. Muslims believe that through learning, one can better understand the world, oneself, and ultimately, the Creator. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement, which leads to a deeper understanding and appreciation of life itself. Moreover, Islam promotes balance in life. It teaches its followers to maintain a harmonious relationship between their physical, mental, and spiritual needs. This balance, Islam suggests, leads to a fulfilled and meaningful life. Another essential teaching of Islam is the concept of accountability. It instills in its followers the belief that all actions, whether big or small, have consequences, and that one day, every individual will be held accountable for their actions in this life. This belief in turn encourages ethical conduct and a sense of responsibility towards oneself and others. Lastly, Islam emphasizes the importance of peace, not just in the sense of avoiding conflict, but also in terms of inner peace. It teaches that true peace comes from knowing one's purpose in life, fulfilling one's responsibilities, and maintaining a strong connection with the Creator. In summary, life, according to Islam, is a sacred trust and a purposeful journey. It encourages the pursuit of knowledge, promotes balance in all aspects of life, and instills a sense of accountability and peace in its followers. These teachings provide a unique perspective on life, one that millions of people around the world resonate with. They offer a path towards a fulfilled and meaningful life, encouraging individuals to seek knowledge, maintain balance, act responsibly, and strive for inner peace. Remember, regardless of religious belief, the quest for understanding life and its purpose is a journey we all share. It's a journey that requires introspection, learning, and growth. So keep questioning, keep learning, and continue this wonderful journey of life.